That's freaking cool.
Take your time, James.
Yeah, I'm just taking a video. It's easier than taking pictures.
So that's a fancy toilet. You just push it in.
Yeah, it's supposedly, one kind of one in the bathroom and one for.
Oh, short flushes and big flushes.
Right.
Do they make tall ones now? Tall toilets? With it's
They do
the
make
seat
them.
is taller.
They do, yes. They're actually like handicap kind of things, but they don't look any different. My mom has one that sits about this high.
Yeah. Okay.
And my husband, in his infinite wisdom, did the bathroom and didn't have anywhere to put the toilet roller. Okay, roller. If you look, there's nowhere. You put it here and it affects the door. Here, there's not enough room. Here's, you can put it back here, you can't get to it. You can't put it here.
Yeah.
So we had to get a stand.
Well, at least they have a stand.
Yeah. So
That's good.